Hello, this is Ryan here. I'm making this video for my wife. Put this little cup on the scale and set it to 0. Okay, and then okay. RDT spray tool. If you don't have it, just skip this part. I'm going to spray it. Spray in the mirror. Spray it. 1, 2, 3. You can start this milk foam machine first and then grind the bean up to the Latte Art mark. Okay, start the foam, and it's going to take 3.5 minutes. Put the beans in the grinder, then close the lid and get your portafilter, bottomless portafilter, and use this funnel so you don't get messy when you get ground beans, and set it to double and all the way to the maximum more and click it. And pump it. Okay. Tap it like this. Tap it, tap it. And if you have this needle distribution tool, you can use this. If you don't have it, you can skip this part. Okay. Tap it a little bit. Unlock it. Use this leveler and tamping tool, distribution and tamper. Okay. Distribute, and then turn around, tamp it. Okay, and here's a screen puck. Now we have about 1 minute left on this milk foam maker. So set the scale and put a cup, set it to 0. And my method is I'm going to hold this button, the double shot button, for pre-infusion. Press and hold until you see coffee saturated at the bottom, and then release it for full extraction. So I'm going to press it and hold. Now I release it for full extraction. Okay, I made about 33 grams of espresso within 25 seconds. Okay, swirl the foam, and then swirl the coffee, espresso. Then let's do the latte art. Okay. All right, here you go, and this is a latte for my wife. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.